Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Survey Payout. If you've ever wondered how to make money online, testing websites and apps, then you are in the right place. In today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how user testing works, walk you through the practice test, and share some tips to help you pass and start getting paid test. So, if you're searching for things like how user testing works, how to use user testing or user testing practice test tutorial, or how to pass user testing practice test, then keep watching this video because in this video I will cover everything. Okay, so now what is user testing? User testing is a platform where you get paid to give feedback on websites. Okay, so as you can see here, it said get paid to test. All right, so you can get paid to give feedback on websites, apps, and digital products. Now, companies want to know how real people experience their products, and that's where we come in as user testers. Now, you can earn anywhere from $10 for 10 to 20 minutes test, or probably up to $60 or more for live interviews in user testing. Okay, so improve experience across your business. We can do research on digital products, can maximize our products here on user testing. Okay, so if we are to continue, you need to understand something. Okay, but before we start making money, you need to pass the practice test, which is what I'll be walking you through today in this video. All right, so let's jump into the practice test together. But before you will do that, if you are new to user testing, you can come to get paid to test, and then when you click on get paid to test, you can get started. As you can see here, get started. You put in your email address here and then click on get started. But I have already created an account for the purpose of this video, and I'm just going to click on sign in. Okay, so one thing you need to do is you would need to install the recorder on your phone if you are using an Android or an iOS, because they will ask you to install their screen recorder extension or app on the phone. But here I've done that on this computer, so I'm just going to log in. Now, when you are taking the test, these are the few things you need to know. You need to carefully read the scenario they give you. For example, they might ask, imagine you are shopping for a birthday gift online and you want to find something affordable. You can think out loud, as you read these instructions. Now, this is the most important part. As you complete the task, speak your thoughts out loud. You may say something like, I expected the menu to be at the top, but I don't see it here. Or, this button isn't very clear. I thought it would take me somewhere else. Okay, so now the next thing you need to understand is you need to complete tasks clearly. Follow each steps in the test practice. Do not rush. And remember to explain what you are thinking. Okay. So to wrap things up, at the end, they might ask a short written response. So you just need to keep it clear. Make your response to be honest and professional. All right. So now let's go down. Let me log in. Clicking on login with your user testing credentials. Okay. I'm just going to put my email here and then my password. So I will have to pause this video, and while I do that, okay guys, so here is my dashboard for my user testing. Okay, so as you can see, this is the checklist. This is test history. I've not done anything, no test on this account. It's a new account, and I click here, I'll get my profile. Now, when you sign up with user testing, they'll ask you the demograph. For those who are not new to survey, we know that demograph is important. And on my WhatsApp channel, I've dropped several demograph. When I update a demograph, I drop it with those who are on the group, and it's working for them. So in the description of my YouTube channel, you see the WhatsApp link to my WhatsApp group. Okay, so now a few things you need to do to set up your account in user testing is you need to confirm your email address. And in user testing, there is nothing like phone number. You just need to verify your email address, and then if you have a paper account, you can set up a paper account. And then I've not set up a paper account here because my paper is already linked to one of my accounts. So then you just need to complete your profile here. Let's just try and make this fast. Now, if you have a pen or a paper, you can take this that I want to say, you can write it down so that it will be easier for you as you proceed the test. Now, the next step for me is to take the test for 7 minutes. Now, a few things you need to understand is this. You need to speak clearly and naturally. Now, that is one. That is to say, you need to pretend you are explaining to a friend as you take this test. Two, don't stay silent. They want to hear your thought process, not just watch your clicks. Okay. Then number three, you need to be honest but respectful. If something is confusing, say it politely while taking the test. And then four, check your mic and internet to see if the mic is working. If it's not working, they will still let you know. And you need to stay focused. Don't get distracted. Follow each instructions carefully. So now let's jump down to the test. I'll click on take practice test. So from here, just watch how I do this. Now they will ask me to test my mic. I'm going to test my mic. I believe all my things are set. Now, record tips. Now in this place, they display the video that you need to watch before you take the test. Now for each test, read the question out loud and speak your thoughts clearly. Take your time. Don't rush through the tasks. And there is no wrong, no right answer, or there's no wrong answers. Just give your honest opinion. Now you can watch this video, but I'm going to click on next, and I'm going to share my screen right here. I'm going to share my screen. So I'm going to share my screen. Now, this will not work. The windows will not work. You need to share the entire screen. As you can see, I've shared the entire screen. And what I'm going to do is click on the screen here, and then I'll click on share. Now this automatically share my screen. So from here, I think I'll be seeing less while I do this test because they'll ask me to test my mic and all that. So just pay attention. I'm ready to think out loud. So I'm going to start here and then I will start recording. Now, all set. Before you start, remember, speak your thoughts out loud as you do the tasks and then read the instructions. 2, 3. Test. Okay. Open the test page. I'm going to open the test page here and read through the instructions. After opening the test page, I'll come back to test the test practice. Okay, so the page is open now. For the practice test, you will search for the articles on user testing contributors support center website and provide feedback on the experience. So I'm just going to check on the contributor code of conduct and I'll read through. Okay, so I'm going to click next for the first task on the contributor code of conduct page. Review out loud the important point to keep in mind. Okay, so the important point to keep in mind, as well rightly written on the contributor code of conduct page, is that I need to be 18 years before I can create an account with user testing, and then I should not share my user testing account with anyone, and then I should have just one account with user testing. And I feel this um, contributor code of conduct contains vital information. They are valuable. I love those important scenarios that are listed, those safe um, instructions that I just stated that are listed on the contributor code of conduct. So I'll click next for the task 2. Now go to the protecting your privacy while testing page and read out loud the section about what information you should never share. Okay, I'm just going to open the page. Protecting your privacy while testing. Okay. Number. Okay. Um, yes, the information was clear on the protecting your privacy while testing page. Okay, so these informations are clear because they stated out things that I should never share. Those things are prohibited, like I should not share my account number, I should not share my social security number, I should not share my password to my account, and other instructions that are vital, such as my driver's license number. I should not share that as well. I feel this is educative and I understand it. Click on next. Now, according to the article you just found, which of the following information is never safe to share? Email address, phone number, financial account number, home address. Okay, I feel the most important information I should never share from the article I read is my financial account number. Go next. Okay, so in the tax 4, to open a tax. Okay, let's open a new tab and then search on Google Map the closest coffee shop near me. So the closest coffee shop near me is gas coffee. Gas coffee. The gas coffee is the closest coffee shop near me, and it is 5 meters distance from where I live, and they have good coffee, and they have um, valuable products in the customer relationship, a good one as well. And then the price tag for the coffee is good. Um, for the additional comment is that the tax user testing is a unique website, and I'm glad and to take part in this first. Now there is no suggestion for now, and I love to be part of the user testing, to work with other testers and to see how far products can be analyzed and websites can be um, analyzed as well for as a good customer review for companies to understand their products and their websites. All right, so guys, as you can see, I'm done with the tests, all done. Okay, all done with the test, and that is it. You've seen now exactly how to take the test with user testing, the practice test, and the best tips to pass. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more tutorials on making money online, and drop a comment if you have any question about user testing, and as well if you've had experience with user testing. Okay, thanks for watching and good luck with your user testing journey.